ठीक है।
मुझे तो जो प्रॉब्लम होगा सर मुझे आपका पता चलिए सर, आई विल सीरियसली
ऑब्जेक्टिव में भी
आपके
है।
पास आऊंगी सर सीखने आपके पास।
ऑब्जेक्टिव जो है उसमें आपने लिखा होगा टू एक्सप्लोर द मीडिएटिंग रूट, तो आई विल जस्ट सजेस्ट एक्सप्लोर की जगह वर्ड एग्जामिन करना।
जी सर।
यू आर नॉट एक्सप्लोरिंग एनीथिंग, ठीक है, तो यू आर एग्जामिनिंग, एम्पिरिकल एग्जाम।
यस सर।
तो एक्सप्लोर वाला वर्ड एलिमिनेट कर।
इन्वेस्टिगेट सर कर सकते हैं।
इन्वेस्टिगेट इज ओके।
जी सर ठीक है सर, थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू।
Alright, thank you so much, Sadia, for a very good presentation, and I see that you are so confident about your thesis and motivated towards doing, and I wish you good luck for that. As far as the topic is concerned, that is very novel, recent, and widely accepted across different domains. In fact, most of the studies are also coming in the context of AI adoption and green outcomes. Sadia, there are few things that needs to be improved in your this proposal, as I have given you a detailed comment sheet, but since due to few constraints we couldn't get the finalized format of your proposal. My first question is, what is your problem in this study?
Madam, as all of us know that with the passage of the time, technology is changing, and lot of people are investing lot of money in the artificial intelligence and its infrastructure. They are not focusing on the employees, that either they are having the threat or job security ka hai, or as for organizations are concerned, they have not even supported their employees. They are just forcing their employees that they have to adopt artificial intelligence. And policymakers in Pakistan, as we know, this Pakistan is an emerging economy where we have not focused that we have some sort of a empirical research based on the artificial intelligence, and it is integrating on the employees behavior, वो कैसा behave करते हैं employees. No one is concerned. Organization leaders and the manager, they are just enforcing, focusing on the employee that they should learn. So just to manage such sort of a behavior of employees, this is micro level aspect. तो उनको focus करने के लिए तो I have devised this sort of a framework.
Sadia, I would like to talk to Saad about the placement of your two DBs.
जी मैम।
Both DBs are behaviors.
जी मैम।
Performance is also a type of behavior as per theory says. So these two are not alike. What do you think?
मैडम इनोवेशन की बात करते हैं ना, तो here the employees are encouraged, they have you can say they have a voluntary empowerment to take any action regarding their practices, policies within their own domain. This is not from the top to bottom that you have to do this to the employees, and they can take initiative. While the other sustainable employee performance is concerned, constantly, continuously, the employees are delivering effective work, and despite of the fact they are taking care of their social being.
Then what is your problem? Is it the green behavior or is it the sustainable performance?
मैडम जो AI की अडॉप्शन की वजह से जो इनकी वेल बीइंग पे, इनकी परफॉर्मेंस पे और जो इनके बिहेवियर पे जो इन्फ्लुएंस हो रहा है ना मैम, आई विल ट्राई टू
You should
figure
check
it
it
out.
because I guess there would be multicollinearity in
जी,
both concepts. Alright, Sadia, you have not mentioned theory in your introduction section. Underpinning theory is totally missing. You have quoted TAM wherever you find it feasible, but as a detailed section of theory it was missing. I couldn't see where you could have a debate on what TAM is and what are the modified versions of TAM. Basically, UT, AUT and UT2, which comes in 2012, the latest version. So you have 10 independent variables in that theory. So if that is the revised version of TAM, then how can we contribute in that? You are not picking the latest theory, you are just relying on 1989 and then contributing in 1989. That is already been filled, then the novelty of the study would be on the question. Please recheck this thing. Alright, there are theoretical gap, as you mentioned that your first gap. Can you please go to your first theoretical gap?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you are quoting that A adoption studied from efficiency performance lens only, no integration of green sustainability But if you search on Google Scholar, there are a number of studies which are basically quoting TAM with reference to sustainability, and where are so many variables have already been incorporated. So you need a thorough study to find out how your study is basically filling the gap. This is not the gap that you are quoting over here. Please, you need a detailed study on that. Okay, my another question is your operationalization of variables.
जी मैम.
So fortunately, we got a link. Okay, Sadiya, operational definitions are missing in your proposal, right? So when you are not operationally defined your variables, you are also then missing the same thing in the questionnaire. You are not aligning both things. So first, in the introduction section, you must define what does it mean by AI adoption and which type of AI basically you are focusing.
जी मैम.
So it should be aligned. It's not aligned, and it's basically a big question mark on the theorization of all the constructs within this model. Another thing that I must say is your industry is unclear.
Yes मैम.
You are focusing on telecom, you are then focusing on banking, you are then focusing on SMEs, and a lot of industries I could see in the proposal. So can you please define only one industry in which we can just apply this model and get the result?
To cut the story short, मेरे पास सिर्फ एक आंसर है कि जहाँ पे respondents, if they are having direct interaction with the artificial intelligence, wherever they are working, I will focus them. मैडम कोमल का भी AI adoption था. I think I will उसके साथ ही मिलके I will do this survey. मैडम यहाँ पे मैं
But your study should be generalizable to some sector.
Yes,
basically.
ma'am.
It should be related to some industry.
मैडम I will search it कि किधर particularly which domain को I would follow मैडम.
And then you would find your contextual gap and the problem that really exists. Where this problem is, green behavior कहाँ exist करता है, क्या इन सब जगहों पे exist कर रहा है, problem banking में भी, telecom में भी, so this is a
जी मैम.
big issue of the study.
बिल्कुल सही.
And then because of the time constraint, we are just sitting here without the comments incorporated. We need the latest version of this proposal very soon.
जी मैम.
Okay, then you have also mentioned using SEM and then using stratified sampling.
मैडम
Can you please define what is stratified sampling?
But stratified sampling in which we will make the strata based on the homogeneous group unit होगा. फिर उसके बाद we will collect respondents from them. जो हमें target population होगी फिर उसमें से जाएंगे हर strata में से.
Then you know there would be multi group analysis.
मैडम उसमें वो जो SPSS के जो होते हैं जब after generating 4 number 5 number तो उससे वो जो एक आपके पास एक पूरी classification वो जो एक numbering आ जाएगी then you will go for it कि उसमें कौन से आपने orders wise लेने हैं तो वो SPSS के through हो सकता है.
Okay, Sadiya. My last concern is then we would be moving towards comments. Your title is not showing all your variables. It's very unclear and lengthy as well. In my comments, I have also quoted that all your variables should be reflected in title. So once your title would be approved from BASAR, it would not be changed. So please be concerned about that all your variables should be in it. But my main concern is using TAM instead of the latest theories.
Yes.
This must be thoroughly checked because on this your basic model is there. Plus you have not mentioned your sequential mediations. Why? And two mediators in a serial part. Why are you not checking?
Madam H7 and H8 है लेकिन वो I have not mentioned it in this.
Okay. Overall, how many hypotheses do you have?
Madam 8.
Okay.
मैडम एक और भी बन सकता है लेकिन वो आप either you go from intention to adoption to the SEP, that was one. The other is intention to adoption to EGIP.
Then with that hypothesis, PhD contribution cannot be ensured. This would be a question mark. So please study latest theory so that your model can be improved. In this form, it can be accepted for your presentation, but not for the upcoming statement. So that
Okay, Sadia.